This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you can sign in with an administrator account. If not, reboot to safe mode with networking and try again. Once done, immediately back up the affected user's documents and desktop to an external drive or alternate folder so you can restore data if needed. Make sure to record the exact error text. That helps you choose the right registry or profile repair step. Don't waste time on general checks. Proceed to the repair steps now. You'll open Regedit and navigate to hklm/software/microsoft/windows nt/current version/profile list. This is where Windows maps accounts to profile folders. Once there, locate the SID entries, if one has a. Back, you will rename and, if needed, remove the back from the correct SID so Windows uses the intact profile. Then inspect profile image path to ensure it points to the right folder, and set ref count and state values to 0 to clear a corrupted load flag. Afterward, you finish by creating a new administrator account if registry edits don't restore the original profile. Then copy documents, desktop, and app data subfolders from the old profile into the new one preserving permissions. If the problem looks system-wide, run system restore to a prior point, then sfc/scano and dism to repair corrupt system files. If you still can't sign in, open Event Viewer to inspect user profile service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.